It was an honored second, the Andromeda cloud, for now transformed into the Andromeda world for a seriously significant time frame. How we could decipher the Andromeda framework was confined to ground-based insights. At any rate, with degrees of progress and advancement in the presentation of the James Webb Space Telescope, our perception has created past measure. Presently, things will change as the James Webb Space Telescope has recognized upsetting signs coming from the Andromeda universe. These signs have sent shock waves through laid-out scientists, leaving cosmologists both stirred and curious. However, what exactly do these signs mean? Specifically, why are they causing such a blend among cosmologists? Obliges is just 2 minutes earlier the James Webb Telescope shut down, resulting from getting upsetting signs from the Andromeda universe. Before we could see far past our eyes into the universe, cosmologists confided in the smooth strategy for being the SU universe. This shortfall of information was generally a direct result of limited development for seeing various universes and individual stars. At any rate, everything changed when we tracked down the Andromeda framework. It filled in as our most critical hint to realizing that the universe expands far past the smooth way and human imaginative brain. Everything began in the 17th century when Galileo Galilei's leading work with telescopes uncovered the smooth way's genuine substance. He saw that the smooth way had different stars, testing the overall idea of its lone importance. Everything changed during the 1920s when Edwin Hubble found distant articles past the smooth way using the Hubble telescope. Edwin saw that these glorious items going through the universe were inestimable frameworks not equivalent to the smooth way. One of the grandest frameworks was the Andromeda Infinite Framework, or M31. While this was the essential first time we were seeing the Andromeda universe through a telescope, Persian stargazer Ablat Alam al-Sufi at first noted it around the 10th century. Due to the mechanical progress in the 20th century, cosmologists could see and sort out the genuine quintessence and substance of Andromeda. It is an undefined cloud including an enormous universe of stars like our smooth way. Our huge neighbor is generally 2.5 million light-years from the smooth way. Since its exposure, how we concentrate on Andromeda has altogether progressed. We have moved from ground-based to discernments through telescopes to space observatories like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Each movement in advancement has taken us higher than at any other time, assisting us with accepting the insider mysteries of the Andromeda framework. We right now have more information and information into its plan and design, making Andromeda a benchmark for focusing on the plan and improvement of universes. This has revealed more understanding into the greater working principles of the universe. Specialists believe that to have a predominant perception of our universe, the smooth way, we ought to concentrate on the association among Andromeda and the smooth way. This is especially clear given that the two vast frameworks will without a doubt influence each other. While studies and assessments have progressed, the James Webb Telescope actually got an upsetting sign from Andromeda. This upsetting sign confounds scientists in general, affecting requests concerning its cautious start and expected ideas. The James Webb Telescope's significant level sensors have recognized weird development right inside Andromeda community. The signs sent back to scientists show results that contrast through and through from past insights, intriguing analysts generally. The sign shows significant cycles occurring inside the world, possibly associated with its truly enormous dull opening or currently concealed occasions. Clearly, perhaps the latest disclosures exhibit that Andromeda's mass may be much more prominent than that of the smooth way, reshaping how we could decipher these two universes' sizes. The James Webb Telescope has given clear pictures and spectra of Andromeda, uncovering the game plan of new stars and their engineered associations. This new data is huge for getting a handle on vast turn of events and logical conditions for life. Additionally, the data from the telescope suggests extended development in Andromeda's dynamic vast center. This has in the end impacted its enveloping environment and is expected to shape its future development. Moreover, by researching the gravitational effects on stars inside Andromeda, experts gain encounters into the scattering of bewildering dull matter all through the world. In a perfect world, this advances our understanding of its effect on the components affecting everything in the universe. As things are, understanding faint matter and its effect on the universe is one of room science's most conspicuous conundrums. Later leap forwards by the James Webb Telescope have convinced various examinations all over the planet as specialists explore the secrets of Andromeda. With additional information becoming visible, we by and by find out about the universe's past and future. Anyway, what have we looked into the Andromeda Infinite Framework through various assessments? Andromeda has shown essential characteristics that remember it from various vast frameworks spread across the universe. Its sheer size commands thought, with progressing evaluation suggesting an estimation spreading over around 220,000 light-years. This figure makes it perhaps of the greatest grandiose framework in the close-by social event, considerably more significant than the smooth way. This colossal scale adds to its mass, containing an expected trillion stars, beating our reality in magnificent count. Experts furthermore track down the infinite framework structure spellbinding. Unlike an ordinary winding framework, Andromeda has an expanding center and a thick core encased within rings of buildup and gas. This is unquestionably a productive ground for advancing star improvement. Such components show a unique infinite framework made by constant cycles, shaping its progression. Among its numerous components, one exceptionally compelling is its center vehicle, depicted by a two-fold zenith release showing the presence of an extremely enormous dark opening. As yet not equivalent to the smooth way, Andromeda's universe is moreover encased by a circle of radiant flume and some containing stars, planetary, and globular gatherings and crossing countless light-years in width. This tremendous covering recounts a stunning point-by-point story of the world's fascinating start in history. The 460 globular clusters found in Andromeda similarly offer comprehension into the game plan of stars at the outset stage. This gives a distinctive explanation of the game plan of star packs and the early new development of the world. In figuring out the mysteries of Andromeda, cosmologists are one state closer to getting a handle on the grand relevance of faint matter. Regardless, one question pauses: how would they address its confusing nature and the work it plays in the components of frameworks? Andromeda flaunts another specific part: its satellite frameworks. Its crown structure has contained more than 20 additional unassuming frameworks, and some of them are going through streaming, denying their stars and gas. This cycle incorporates a greater grandiose framework pulling in and crushing bordering little frameworks. This shows the dynamic idea of galactic progress and portrays how frameworks create and speak with one another after some time. All in all, what does the future hold for the Andromeda world? The shape and course of its improvement interest stargazers, as well as those hoping to appreciate the universe. The likelihood of its encouraging from a winding to a ringed framework is mostly crucial. An in-depth examination of Andromeda's new development proof concentrations to a connection that could prompt other intriguing mixes, perhaps from effects or OSI with various frameworks. Assuming Andromeda really is moving in this direction, it suggests that it has encountered various relationships with different universes since first experience with the world. Finally, Andromeda's future depends upon the unpreventable accident with the smooth way. As demonstrated by these models, the accident is surveyed to occur around for a long time from now. The outcome of such an effect is the presentation of one more universe from these two beast supersubstances. In any case, due to the immense distances between the universes, this grandiose accident is not a prompt impact. After the effect, the two frameworks would be fundamentally reconstructed, shaping new shapes and blends. The collaboration of their gases and buildup will work up new changes of star creation, prompting a colossal presentation above as the mixing objects shimmer magnificent recently. Such a galactic event will bring about the improvement of a singular roundabout world. This kind of effect isn't exceptional, as the universe has a long history of such. Nonetheless, our quick collaboration makes it an event critical to us. In extension, the expected accident of the extremely gigantic dark openings at the center of the two astronomical frameworks adds more confidential to this grand show. This suggests an incredible and significant nature of gigantic turn of events. The combination is expected to convey impacts from matter being immersed by the dark opening, which will convey expansive radiation. This connection offers huge data about how universes move all through their future and how dark openings impact this turn of events. However, it brings up a fundamental issue: what will befall our sunlight-based system after this combination is formed? A long way from a full-scale destruction of the close-by planet bunch, the close-by planet gathering's course and conditions could be changed fundamentally. This suggests possible circle moves or even a send-off from the newly emerged universe. To sort out this instrument, analysts can concentrate on the significance of practically identical events happening. Besides, to contextualize the inescapable fate of our reality, it is essential to appreciate that an effect between stars is a phenomenal event in space due to the enormous intergalactic distance. In any case, the gravitational change could upset stars' steady circles, causing a few stars, including our Sun, to head in a different path. Such a change could disturb the climate on the world. Maybe the most essential change individuals can experience is drawing further away or closer to the Sun. This could incite either warming or cooling influences. A hotter climate could make ice covers condense, and sea levels climb, while a colder one would provoke another ice age. Additionally, the estimation of such an effect could block radiation levels coming to Earth, making fundamentally addition test conditions. The solidification of the Andromeda in the smooth waste structure frames the perplexing association between wonderful bodies as the dark openings in the two universes draw nearer over time. Their attractive energy exercises could expand the hostility of high-energy particles that can appear at Earth. In the end, this will make upgraded bombastic radiation penetrate our environment. The logical flood in the radiation level could be a threat to the natural frameworks on our planet as it could increase change rates in masses and impact biodiversity. The interaction of Earth's customary circle or its turn which would follow from the dark opening solidification can be expected to dial back how regions are spread. How living creatures will scrape by in climate zones that might become foreboding is one of the effects of ecological change experienced overall through shifts in biodiversity and organic framework structures. Though a few species could succeed under the new circumstance, some would evaporate, and others would be significantly endangered. The solidification will presumably ignite the making of new stars as surges of gas from the cloud get together and get compacted. Assuming this connection occurs close to our close-by planet bunch, radiation from these juvenile stars could change the environment, coming to fruition in an outrageous change in the climate in the entire organic framework. While the realities truly affirm that these events portray the extraordinary record of boundless turn of events, it implies a considerable amount to place them in setting and understand the timetable. The subsequent events of the impact are far away, billions of years into the future, where humanity could have changed fundamentally. We may at this point be living in different bits of the universe or beyond it. The data obtained from examining the Andromeda framework radiates an impression of being two, figuring out the improvement of our framework and its future. The seen contrasts among Andromeda and our reality can be used to make more precise models for infinite components and improvement. The reassessment of Andromeda's size and mass's areas of strength 4 is, since it directly enlightens our cognizance of the smooth way and its construction. Accordingly, it has broken our hidden speculations about Andromeda. Additionally, the need to re-examine its significance in our astronomical aerial lake data suggests that both the smooth way and Andromeda frameworks are comparable in size, rather than our own being significantly more prominent. This conflicts with our perception of the smooth way's work inside the local social event of inestimable frameworks in how much gravitational power such a universe applies. While the smooth way today appears as a band-winding world, its plan could change due to collaboration with the Andromeda universe, and participation will happen soon. Checking Andromeda's improvement helps in profiling the parts behind the critical universe changes. By seeing Andromeda's current status and evaluating the direct of the following accident on the smooth way, much can be inferred. Cosmologists would show the likely changes in star improvement rate. Additionally, the movement of gas and buildup and expansion to the movements in the two framework places, making this model as possible grateful to the mechanical movements in space science that have unequivocally changed. The degree of room focuses on this has made each endeavor more vital in the past one. This advancement has led to significant advancements in our understanding of the cosmos, particularly in studying Andromeda's development and its potential impact on our own Milky Way galaxy. The ongoing exploration of Andromeda reveals its distinctive characteristics that set it apart from other cosmic structures spread throughout the universe. Its sheer size, estimated at around 220,000 light-years in diameter, makes it one of the largest galaxies in our local group, surpassing even the Milky Way in scale and mass, harboring approximately 1 trillion stars. The structure of Andromeda is also intriguing. Unlike a typical spiral galaxy, it features an expanding center and a dense core surrounded by rings of dust and gas, creating a fertile environment for ongoing star formation. A significant feature of Andromeda is its central supermassive black hole, evidenced by a double peak emission indicating its presence. Unlike the Milky Way, Andromeda is also surrounded by a halo of stellar streams and globular clusters spanning millions of light-years in width, depicting a fascinating tale of its evolutionary origins. Andromeda's future trajectory is of great interest to astronomers and enthusiasts alike. Speculation suggests it will inevitably collide with our Milky Way galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. This cosmic event, while inspiring, is a natural part of galactic evolution, where the two galaxies will undergo significant restructuring, potentially forming a new elliptical galaxy. Such collisions are not uncommon in the universe's history and provide crucial insights into the dynamics of galaxy mergers, including changes in star formation rates, gas and dust movements, and the potential for the creation of new stars. Understanding Andromeda's evolution and its eventual collision with the Milky Way serves as a key to unlocking mysteries about our own galaxy's past, present, and future. By studying its current state and predicting the aftermath of the collision, scientists can better grasp the fundamental processes driving universe-wide changes, including the redistribution of matter, the evolution of stellar populations, and the interplay of dark matter on galactic scales. In conclusion, Andromeda remains a pivotal cosmic entity offering profound insights into the universe's workings and its relationship with our own Milky Way galaxy. As technological advancements continue to push the boundaries of astronomical research, our understanding of Andromeda's size, structure, and significance within our cosmic neighborhood will only deepen, revealing more about the broader mysteries of the cosmos and our place within it.